let's create a new shape and go to the callout section. And then right over here is the thought bubble shape, otherwise known as the cloud callout. Let's select this and create it. And there we go. And then of course you can adjust this diamond shape down here to adjust where the thought cloud is actually coming from, if you want it a bit more straight, or if you want to kind of have it curving around a bit like this to create a bit of a pseudo 3D effect here. You can just adjust this as such. As with any shape, if you have this shape selected and start typing, it will automatically create the text inside the shape. No need to make a brand new separate text field or anything like that. And then if I just copy and paste the same text a few times, you'll see it has an automatic text safe area to keep the text quite neat and inside this shape. The default color is this gray design. This is the same with all shapes, but for this kind of design, you might want to adjust it to have, say, the fill as white, and then the outline could probably stay this dark gray, or you might want to make it a little bit lighter. And that looks a bit more cartoony if you want to go for something a bit more classic like you might find in a comic book.